Dear Bailey and Avery, I just want to send some goodies your way to let you know that I'm thinking about both of you and miss you very, very much. Life just isn't the same without seeing your sweet faces whenever I feel like it. I hope you are having a fantastic school year and that you are loving your new home and your private
Wait,
life.
who is that to?
I can't wait to come visit and for you to come visit me. Never forget how much I love each of you, inside and out. Love, Claudia. Yeah.
Open your stuff.
To Bailey from Claudia. It's Chinese. She gave us lip gloss. Look, Essie.
What did you get, Avery?
Lip gloss. Woo!
Bailey, show me what you got.
Ooh, this. I got Pixie. This Essie.
Avery, you got makeup.
And this album.
What?
I love this album.
What is that? Those are Avery's.
Wait, here's something you can
What up?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Kitty cat sock.
Here they go.
Sushi erasers. Keep going.
Sushi erasers?
Oh, those are cute.
Cool. One Direction.
What? What is that, Avery? What is it?
Whoa. Whoa, it's in the middle.
Bailey, did you see what this is? What is that?
One Direction.
Uh-oh. There's something big. Oh, look how cute.
Cool.
I think those are cookies she made for you guys.
Let's look inside and see if there's any more things.
Okay, keep looking.
There is. Check out all this foamy stuff.
What? That's a large. That's some babies. And this is yours, Avery.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh my gosh. Show me. Show me, Avery. Oh, so pretty. Oh, that looks just like you. Oh,
French?
that's French.
Yeah, I love French.
I think that's everything.
Maybe
Oh,
not.
wait. No, look.
Give us some.
Little pumpkins.
Look
There
at
it
mine. Mine
is.
is a swirl.
Oh my gosh. You can put them in your bedroom. Girls say thank you, Claudia.
Thank you, Claudia.